Claimherelol Fortnite to earn free V-Bucks. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've been looking for ways to get free V-Bucks in Fortnite, Claimherelol might have caught your attention, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's completely free or risk-free. The surprising truth is that sites promising free V-Bucks often require surveys, personal data, or premium memberships to unlock rewards, and skipping the fine print can cost you time or money. Typically, Claimherelol operates by offering points or credits in exchange for completing tasks, surveys, or signing up for partner offers. Some offers are free, while others may involve small purchases, subscriptions, or entering personal information. The pricing isn't upfront in cash, it's often your time, attention, or willingness to share data. What you get: potential V-Bucks rewards, access to Fortnite-related offers, and a structured process for earning points. What you give up: your time, possible personal information, and sometimes a small purchase to unlock higher rewards. The key is to carefully read each offer and avoid any that ask for sensitive information like passwords. Here's how to maximize value safely. Step 1. Only engage with offers that are free or low risk. Step 2. Avoid providing passwords, credit card info, or unnecessary personal data. Step 3. Track how long each task takes versus the V-Bucks reward to see if it's worth your time. Step 4. Use a secondary email for surveys or sign-ups to protect your privacy. You won't believe what happens next if you skip caution. Many users fall for phishing or spend hours on low-value tasks with minimal rewards. The surprising truth is that with careful selection, Claimherelol can offer some legitimate opportunities, but it's not truly free in time or data costs. In conclusion, Claimherelol provides a structured but cautious approach to earning V-Bucks. By understanding the hidden costs, reviewing offers carefully, and protecting your data, you can decide if it's worth your effort and get reasonable value for your time.